With the way things are going now, you cannot tell me that you have not made your stew without oil. Yes, welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are seeing this cutie face for the first time, please hit on the subscription button, put on your notification bell, like and share, comment as well. Like I was saying, if you have not made your stew without oil, I wonder why you have not tried it. Because with what I'm about to show you now, you will always want to do it and always want to crave and always want to go ahead and make it more and more for your family. Guys, I made stew without oil. Yes, I made it without oil, but you have to use. Okay, let's dive into the video. It has started already. This is where it gets interesting. Yeah, you have to make use of a lot of protein so that, because that is where the oil is gonna come from. The oil that I made use of in this soup came from the protein. I added chicken, oxtail, and tripe. You can just go in with any protein of your choice because you know very well that protein has oil itself. So guys, that is where the oil came from. So this is me seasoning the meat as well. You have to season it to everything so that it will give what it's supposed to give. You would think I added oil. Now look at, still without oil. I give it a try and you will like it. Okay, my lovely people, thanks for watching.